Welcome back. Module 4. Creating analysis and dashboards. So far, we have spent almost all our time looking at the installation, configuration, and administration of the infrastructure supporting Oracle Business Intelligence, including the steps required to create and maintain the repository layer that describes the data available for reporting. Now, finally, we will take a look at how you can actually create analysis, dashboards, scorecards, and other interactive reports using all of the infrastructure and business metadata that you've been learning how to use so far. Oracle Business Intelligence comes with a range of powerful, intuitive, and visually compelling tools for creating reports, ad hoc analysis, dashboards, and other types of visualization that you can access either through a web browser, a mobile device such as an Apple iPad or an iPhone, or productivity tools such as Microsoft Office. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create analysis, add graphs, work with pivot tables, format the analysis and graphs. You create performance styles, simple trellis charts, column and view selectors, work with other views, create a dashboard, and add user interactivity and dynamic content to enhance the user experience. You create analysis and work with views including graphs, pivot tables, and narratives as we proceed through this lesson. Module 4 covers lesson 27, which continues from module 3. We'll begin with the analytic process, then create an analysis, adding a graph to an analysis, working with pivot tables and master detailed linking of views, working with other view types, building dashboards, which I believe at this point is the most important topic in learning OBIEE, creating a named dashboard prompt, creating dashboards with multiple pages, working with agents, using KPIs and key performance indicators, watch lists, and working with scorecards. The main way in which users query the data sources mapped into your business intelligence system and create reports and web pages that show data in the form of tables, pivot tables, graphs, and other visualizations is to create analyses that are then embedded in dashboards. Dashboards provide a means to display one or more analyses around a theme such as sales, procurement and spending, and customers, displaying data and graphics to help users understand the data they are working with. What are analyses and dashboards? An analysis in Oracle Business Intelligence is a report that uses a common set of selected columns, calculations, and filters, and displays the report results in one or more tables, pivot tables, graphs, or other visualization. An analysis is made up of analysis criteria. This criteria defines the data items used in the report. Analysis results. These results are displayed in the form of one or more views. Optional prompts. These prompts are used to pre-filter the data provided to the analysis. Every analysis has one or more views associated with the analysis results, with each view using or a subset or derivations based off of the analysis criteria. For example, you might define a table view listing sales for a particular product, brand, along with one or more graph views that show sales broken down by brand and by time period. Although analysis can be viewed and interacted with in the Oracle Business Intelligence Analysis Editor, called the Oracle Answers in previous versions of OBIEE, you typically deliver analysis to users by embedding them in a dashboard. Dashboards typically bring together a number of analyses along with prompts and other data selection tools and are displayed in the user's browser on a mobile device such as an Apple iPad or any other device which supports Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. Typically, a dashboard taken from the perspective of a user is a platform where all different reports of significant importance to them are grouped together and communicated in such a way that a user is able to freely and easily take snapshots of the most important elements of their business and help them in the long run understand where they stand on either receivables, procurement, or managing any kind of manufacturing processes. In addition to creating analyses, which are typically embedded in a dashboard and used interactively, you can create another type of visualization in Oracle Business Intelligence called a published report, created using another Oracle tool called Oracle BI Publisher. Published reports are similar to analysis in that they can take their data from the Oracle BI repository and display results in the form of tables, pivot tables, and charts, but they are primarily used for reports that need to be printed and or distributed rather than embedded in a dashboard. Let's get started with lesson 27, beginning the analytic process.